What is going on YouTube? Bryce Builds It All here, your favorite aircraft mechanic, A&P, IA, and Part 147 instructor, and it is officially giveaway time. So now stick around, I'm gonna explain the rules, what I'm giving away, why I'm giving it away, all that good stuff. So yeah, stick around. If you're new to the channel and you started here for some reason, I don't know why that happened, but I am an aircraft mechanic and I typically make videos about being an aircraft mechanic, how to become an aircraft mechanic, all of that kind of stuff. I've also done a lot of practical projects for students who are trying to get an A&P, but in this video I'm doing a giveaway, so here's the information on that. Okay, for the rules of this giveaway, you must be 18 years of age or older, as that is a legal United States requirement. You must be a resident of the 50 United States and a U.S. citizen. That is another legal requirement that we have to follow. I do have a website. I will link that down below with all of these rules. I'm also putting all of the rules down below in the description. So all you're going to have to do to get entered for this giveaway is leave a comment down below and be subscribed to the channel. Now, this is something that I have been promising for a long while, and I'm trying to keep this video really short because I don't want to take a whole bunch of your time. But I am going to pay for somebody's written test. Now, PSI exams and the FAA testing fee has gone up to $175. I'm still working out the logistics on how exactly I'm going to do that, but I am going to pay for someone's written test. This giveaway will be live for exactly 1 week. This video goes live today. What is today? Today is December 14th. This video goes live at 6. Actually, no, I'm going to make this video live at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. It will go till next Sunday at 5 p.m. So it is exactly 7 days, Sunday to Sunday, starting December 14th, and then closing December... Give me a second. I'm stupid and words are hard. It will close December... I should have pulled this up beforehand. 21st, December 21st, a few days before Christmas. And like I said, I'm going to pay for somebody's written test. I haven't worked out the exact logistics of that. If you've already taken all of your written tests, you can still get entered to win. If you've already taken all of your written tests, I'll give like a $175 gift card to Aircraft Spruce or something if you've already taken your written test. But if you haven't taken your written test, then I'd prefer to give you the $175 for that. So I will be verifying the comment for the winner, whoever that is, once that takes place and all of that good stuff. Like I said, we'll figure out more of that, but you do need to be subscribed. Leave a comment down below. It can be anything, but make sure you leave a comment. If you just like the video, you're not going to be entered to win. So that's going to do it all for this, but there's some parts for the Mustang. After I get back from vacation, I am taking the rest of the winter and I'm working on my car. So I've been looking forward to doing that. Miata's also sitting in here. That is enough yapping out of me. It has gotten cold and I am going to go in a house. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribed. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for leaving kind comments. Hopefully this is a way that I can give back to some of you. I'd like to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.